Every nation has its own water of life, such as Scotch whiskey, Russian vodka, and French brandy. As a carrier of emotion and culture throughout its thousands of years of civilization and development, Baijiu well deserves to be considered as China's water of life. As a representative of Chinese Baijiu, the brewing history of Guojiao Yiwu Qisan can be traced back to the Qing and Han dynasties, and it has crafted a world-famous Luzhou flavored liquor. Guojiao Yiwu Qisan originated in the capital city of Baijiu, Luzhou. It is located on the magical latitude of 28 degrees, which it shares with wonderful landscapes such as the Hanging Garden of Babylon, Jordan's Dead Sea, the Great Pyramids of Egypt, and many ancient Mayan civilization sites. Due to having the highest quality of water, land, and climate, like the Bordeaux region of France and Italy's Piedmont, Luzhou is one of the most ideal places in the world for brewing distilled liquor. In 1573, Shu Changzong built the Shu Juyuan workshop. Each time he brewed a new batch of Baijiu, he retained a large number of fermented grains to reuse into the next batch. The pits have been used continuously for 440 years without interruption and nourish as many as 600 kinds of vigorous natural microorganisms. This is the secret to the thick and complex aroma of Baijiu. The pits of Guojiao Yiwu Qisan have become a living cultural relic in the world history of liquor. The traditional brewing skills used follow the laws of nature, including the pit exit and entry, the mixing of materials, distillation, and koji making. These skills have been passed down from master to apprentice for over 23 generations and have been included in the first round of the National Intangible Cultural Heritage List. Still to this day, the brewery of Guojiao Yiwu Qisan employs this traditional brewing process. The new brewed Baijiu is stored in a 7-kilometer-long natural liquor storage cave. Due to the lack of sunshine all year round, slow airflow, 20 degrees Celsius temperature, and 85% relative humidity, the cave is the perfect place for the liquor to age. The liquor is stored here for years, waiting for its day to come out and give the world a delightful surprise. As a pioneer for the cultural inheritance and innovation of Baijiu, Guojiao Yiwu Qisan has always insisted on the power of tradition and has carried forward the spirit of tradition. Now it hopes to bring the unique charm of Chinese Baijiu out of China, to share it with the world. Let the world savor China. Guojiao Yiwu Qisan.